So I've had a lot of comments pouring already about really how to even get this thing started. And you know, one problem a lot of you are gonna run into is immediately is when you're just trying to assemble the first part of the desk, you need to get this screw into this hole. And you know, you can't fit, I can't fit these man hands down there. So you know what I gotta do? I gotta pull out my trusty Leatherman. Thank you, Leatherman, for sponsoring this video. Everybody, you know, gotta go and buy one. You know, it's a great multi-purpose tool. But thank you again, Leatherman. I need you in my life. So what you gotta do is you gotta use the Leatherman. You gotta pick this bad boy up. You know, I'm a professional, so you know, eventually you can try to be as good as me, and then you know you can put it right in there just like that. What's up, fam? I'm back. If you're just tuning in now live, we're just unboxing and putting together an Uplift Desk. And see, we just finished step 1. As you looked, step 2. Oh man, we're really moving here. Just step 2 right here. Got these put together. As you can see, we're practically, we're pretty much almost done. Yeah, so just tune in more for next time. Wait, what's that, Sarah? I can't talk about Leatherman. Wait, they're not sponsoring the video? Okay. Fam, Instagram fam, Twitch chat fam, Leatherman's not sponsoring the video, but Leatherman, if you are looking for someone who really knows how to use tools and really can show off your brand, reach out to me. I could probably find someone for you that could do that for you. But, you know, stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be real. We're back again. Just a quick update. Just got some food. We're getting back at it. And, you know, I had a user comment on this, Namago. You know, she noticed that these parts are on a yoga mat. And, you know, as she said, you know, it's important to not keep these pieces grounded, not only physically, but spiritually as well. So when you're putting this desk together, if you get a yoga mat, make sure you're putting it on the yoga mat together. That way you have both spiritual and physical grounding, which is very important to maintain a happy desk. Hey everybody, I'm back. I had a lot of people really concerned that I went radio silent for about 12 hours or so. And I just want to assure you that that is not the case. I wasn't abandoning the mission. People were saying the Uplift Desk is too hard to put together with one person. They just did not believe in me. But I want to assure you that the reason why I had to stop yesterday, you know, I don't need to read instructions normally, but, you know, when you get to step 5 here, I was missing a very important part, and that was the top of my desk. So I, with the CEO of Uplift, I was saying, where is it, man? He's like, dude, it was coming in. And so I gave him basically, and I said, you need to prevent this from ever happening again to anyone else. So I recommended, what needs to do from now on is add some cloud-based machine learning AI technology that prevents people from opening this manual until all the parts of their desk are completed. So that way, when you have this and it opens, you know that you have all the parts in and you can work on your desk. Oh wait, what's this? All right, everybody, stay tuned for more. I know the hype is real. All right, everybody, now we're back with another Uplift Desk update. So I know it only seems like a couple minutes ago we were on step 2. We're already on step 13, and we got the basics of the desk working. And as you can see, the desk is in contact with hardwood floors, and it's not by the yoga mat. The yoga mat is close, but it's not close enough. So what we need to do is we need to put this desk into uplift facing dog. And in order to do that, we gotta use this little machine here. But as you can see, oh, that's downward, downlift facing dog. We gotta go to uplift facing dog. So as you can see, it's important to make sure you put your desk into uplift facing dog a few times a day in order for it to get its energy. And then sometimes it also wants to go into downlifting facing dog. So again, make sure you use a variety of upward and uplifting and downlifting facing. Hey everybody, we're back. You know, I had some downturns, I was a bit downtrodden, but now we have an uplifting story to tell you right now. So here we have the desk mostly completed. I have to add a keyboard tray, but that is a battle for another time. I got this awesome bamboo stand thing that Uplift gave me for free. It's really the only way to write effective code, as all software engineers know. And so, now we must uplift the desk for this uplifting story. There we go. And that's how you build a uplift desk. Oh, I don't know what this guy's doing here. I don't know what possibly I could use him for. And now we can write some code. Ah, yes. Very complicated code. And I've already had a lot of comments coming in about my standing map. And they're asking, where's the Peachy 2? And me, like many others, are waiting for our order. It's back ordered till about 2050. So whenever Giovanni can finally finish making them, I can finally have something worth standing on. But until then, I will suffer through this. So yeah, everybody, that's the end of the video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. If you want to support me, you can add me on Patreon. And that's everything. See ya. Sarah, what do you mean we don't have a Patreon? Get marketing on this right now. What do you mean there's no marketing team? What are we going to do about Leatherman? What do you mean we've never made a video before? This is ridiculous. What did I hire you for? What do you mean I didn't even hire you? Just help me out because you're my friend? It's ridiculous. I'll get legal on this. What do you mean there's no legal team? Come on, stop pulling my finger.